Hello everybody, let's get a new Postbag video started. So, just got one so far, but I'm sure more will trickle in over the next couple of days. This one is labeled as ceramic tweezers, which is something that Fanatical mentioned, and I decided to look into. They're quite heavy. I was really very surprised when I pulled them out of the mailbox, because they're quite weighty, actually. So we got a couple of different styles here with little rubber grippy bits holding them closed. There we go. Just yank those off real quick and have a look. Ow. Of course, as I stab myself with them, they're actually got some nasty little edges on them, but yeah, little black. The handles are metal, but the tips here, you can see the sort of large sections. Those are made out of ceramic, so they're ESD safe. So if I grab my... Oh, I'm making a mess. If I grab my multimeter here and set it to ohms, I should be able to touch the tip of the tweezer and then touch the thing. This should not be conductive. Why is this being conductive? That's weird. That's not supposed to be a thing that happens. Why are these registering as... Well, I guess that means that these ones aren't ESD safe because the ceramic is conductive, which is weird. But for any further projects where I have to handle small components, these will still be quite serviceable because I'll be able to grab little bits of stuff and hold it into place or move it around, and there won't be a lot of heat conduction, at least through the ceramic. But that's weird that it's conductive. Anyway, we'll just have to wait for some more post to continue the video. Alright, let's open up a little bit more post. This will probably be enough for this video. 2 more things. Alright, so let's start with this one that's labeled 1X Electronic Products 3 different times. I think I know what this might be. Been actually waiting for quite a while for it, if this is what I think it is. Let's see if it is what I think it is. Alright, this is either capacitors or inductors. Which ones are these? Oh, I need to do this on camera there, Chris. On camera. Okay, these are inductors. These I will be using in my ongoing experiments to sub-miniaturize jewel thieves. And these ones are various different values of inductors. I've got a 1 microhenry, a 10 nanohenry, and a 390 nanohenry. So some really small inductors that I'm hoping maybe I'll be able to couple into a transformer for use in a jewel thief. So there'll be some experiments forthcoming with that project. And then this last package for this video, I've got 1 diode. Let's see what we've got here. Well, it's a bunch of water clear diodes of some sort. Where's my trusty little CR2032 battery? Should have been somewhere in there. Maybe it's on my desk somewhere. Battery, where are you? Of course, my desk here is a complete and utter disaster. Well, maybe this one will do the trick. Let's see. Not too sure what these ones are. Looks like probably color changing LED. Oh, there's not enough juice left in that battery to do anything. Where the heck did my little LED testing battery go? Bollocks. Alright, well, let's improvise. I should be able to do that, yeah. So I'll grab this, and then I'll plug this in over here. And that should do that. And then I'll bring this down to 3.3 volts, like so. There we go. And then, if I do this, we should find out what this LED is. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a water clear, slow color changing LED. So I'm going to have a bunch of different versions of these. I've got some diffused ones, I've got the clear ones which create a sharper point of light. I've got some flat top LEDs, basically just experimenting around with the various different lens styles. For the Jillian's Diamonds lamps that I'm working on, based on Big Clive's work there. Anywho, I think that's enough for this video. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting based on your watch habits. Right here is the Postbag playlist, because that's what this is. And then right here is a link to Patreon, which you can use to help me buy more stuff like this. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.